In this video, I am going to discuss some of the objective questions of Chapter 2 of Geography, Latitude and Longitude. Here are some multiple choice questions. The first is, the latitude of Tropic of Cancer is how much? Here you can see the figure of Earth. I have drawn here the small figure just to explain. The mid parallel is equator running, whose degree is 0 degree. Up and down of equator, there lies the torrid zone, which is the heat zone of the Earth. So the upper part is northern hemisphere, the downward part is the southern hemisphere. So above 0 degree, 23.5 degree north, it tells us about the Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degrees south, it tells us about the Tropic of Capricorn, which lies in the southern hemisphere. So the answer will be, the latitude of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. The value of prime meridian is, so as we all know, prime meridian and equator. So prime meridian is the longer longitudes and the equator is the largest latitudes. So here again the figure, with the help of figure you can see here. So from north to south, there runs the longitude of prime meridian, which again the value is 0 degree. Equator value is 0 degree and prime meridian value is also 0 degree. So it's a latitude and it's a longitude. So the value of prime meridian is 0 degree. The parallel of latitudes run from west to east direction, and the prime meridian, the longitude, runs from north to south direction. So we should remember this. Prime meridian is also known as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, because it runs through Greenwich only. And equator, it's also known as Greater Circle. The standard meridian of India passes through. So here there are figure of India. From the mid it is running Indian Standard Time, whose longitude we can see here 82 degree 30 minute east. So it passes through which city? So it passes through Allahabad city. Latitudes and longitudes are measured in, so we can see here all degrees. So the measurement of latitude and longitude is always in degrees only. Dash helps to calculate the local time of a place. So local time, so longitude of a place always helps to calculate the local time, longitude. Prime meridian helps to calculate the worldwide time, and longitude, local time. Longitude is always referred to time only. The standard meridian at an interval of 5 degree R. So here if we can see, the earth whole degree is 360 degree. Okay, the whole of earth is 360 degree. So we will divide by 5 degree. The answer will be 72. But here the answer no match. So its answer will be 72. So here column, match the columns. Prime meridian is known as Greenwich. Equator, it's a great circle, as I have told. One more thing I would like to mention, equator and meridian longitudes are both called greater circle, whereas prime meridian is called as Greenwich. Torrid zone, as I have explained here, it's a heat zone. So above torrid zone we can find temperate zone, and then temperate zone we can find above frigid zone. So the torrid zone will be matched with the hottest region, which is just above the equator. And so axis, here again I am showing the rough figure of Earth. So it's from the mid you can see the imaginary line passing through. It is called the axis. We can see in the globe also the axis, which is in an imaginary line. So it runs through both poles, north and south poles. So axis will be matched with poles. Hope this video will be clear to you. So thank you.